Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're all about mobile gaming and love discovering new tricks to enhance your gameplay, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, I'm sharing an amazing method how to get unlimited stars and coins with Gardenscapes Hack. No complicated setups, no third-party apps, and no risk to your account. Whether you're on iOS or Android, this works like a charm. Stay with me till the end because you won't want to miss a single step. Let's jump in. First things first. Before proceeding further, it's important to ensure that you have the latest version of the game installed on your device. Keeping the app updated ensures compatibility with this hack. Now, open your favorite browser and go to this site, which provides tools for many popular mobile games and apps. But today we're focusing on Gardenscapes Hack. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find Hack for Gardenscapes, then click on it to open the dedicated page. On this screen, you'll find all the essential information about this mod. To begin the process, click on the orange button, and the website will start injecting the mod into your game. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed and device performance. During the process, you'll see various steps such as mod injection, proxy setup, and security bypassing to ensure everything runs smoothly without putting your account at risk. The best part? It's completely automated, so just sit back, relax, and let the tool handle everything for you. One last step before you're done. The site may ask for a quick verification to confirm you're a real player. Usually this means completing a simple task, like downloading a free app or filling out a short survey. Don't worry, it's super easy and only takes a couple of minutes. If you get stuck, the website has a video guide to walk you through it. Just follow the steps and you'll be good to go. Once the verification is complete, your stars and coins will appear in your account instantly. Just like that, you're ready to dominate the game. I've already tested this method and it works perfectly. After completing all the steps, I went back into the Gardenscapes and boom! My unlimited stars and coins balance was fully loaded within seconds. And that's a wrap. If this guide helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help out. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you never miss out on the latest gaming tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gaming. Catch you in the next one.